Thank you. I'd like to thank you for returning to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Sun Joe SPX3000 XTREAM Extreme Clean Electric Pressure Washer, 2200 PSI max, 1.65 gallons per minute, and a 13 amp, and it's a certified refurbished from eBay. And I have two of them here. As you can see, they're both brand new in the box. I did kind of start to rip the packaging open just a little bit. If you can hear more of it ripping there, where I started to cut it, the strings are still attached. As you could hear there. This one over here, I ripped one tab open only, and not the other way across, because I wanted to show you guys. It's hard to hold a camera and open up boxes at the same time. But we're going to open up one of these here, and if we get 10,000 likes on this video before the end of the month, we will have a giveaway for the second one. That's right, you could win one of these Sun Joe's power washers. Now these here can be found on eBay. They come with a 2-year warranty through Square Trade, which is an Allstate company, automatically whenever you buy them through eBay. I imagine the second one I have here most likely will not have a warranty on it, as you will not be the original purchaser of it. But you have a chance of winning it. Okay, let's take a look at all the different things on here. Okay, extreme triple action power, extreme foaming, extreme cleaning, extreme rinsing. Help you win the war on all the grime. Extreme. Okay, rinses all the dirt away. If you have any questions, there's the phone number for Sun Joe at 866-766-9563. Now let's open up this box, and we'll take a look and see what we got. Here we have a pressure washer. It is surrounded by packing bags for the packing, which is air, which is good because they're not having all those styrofoam peanuts that take forever to dissolve. There's the handle down on this side. It looks like the handle's up against the edge of the box with nothing to protect the handle from damage. I don't see any damage on the handle. And there's the foam piece for this. We got the cord right here. It's wrapped up in plastic. Now this is going to be an unboxing video. We're not going to actually plug this in to use it. And here we have the power cord with a surge protector on it. This here, you can tell it has marks and stuff on it, that it doesn't look exactly like brand new. It's actually marked up on the cord. There's some scratches up along here. Now this is certified refurbished, which, okay, and here we have some more accessories. It looks like the screws, the nozzles, and the other pieces that we need to assemble it are in this little thing. Let's see, let's pull this out of the box. Give me one moment, everyone. Now, I didn't bring anything down with me downstairs to assemble it. Okay, here we have the instruction manual pulled out of the box. We have a bag of all the screws and the nozzles that go with it. We have the instruction manual. We have this piece here. I have the pressure washer pulled out. The pressure washer does have some marks on it. I'm not sure if you guys saw that in the video. We have a wand. The wand has a safety on it, and we have the hose. We'll open up that bag there in a moment. But if you look here, this wand has a safety on it. So if you go to walk away, if you have small kids, they're not trying to power wash each other when you step away. That's a good thing to have a safety on something like that. Let me see if I can get this bag open. There is a hole here in this bag. I hope none of the screws are missing. But if you look here, we have different spray nozzles. There's four different spray nozzles in there. I will share the link that goes to eBay as well for this product. Like I said, we will have a giveaway if this video gets 10,000 likes before the end of the month. That's right, before the end of December, if we get 10,000 likes, I will ship this second one out to you at no cost to you, but we will have a contest if we get 10,000 likes. Now, of course, I'll only ship it within the connected 48 United States. So, it's not a worldwide contest, just so you know. And again, we have to have 10,000 likes before that'll happen. Let's take a look at the second one, so you'll believe me that we actually have another one here as well. As you can see, we got this one right here that we just got. That one there, as you can tell, it's still connected there, the packaging. And if we look here again, we have a whole nother power washer with all the same exact stuff. Got the foam bag. We got the same bag of goodies, different color screws in this one. This one has black screws, the other one had silver screws. One of these two I will ship out. Okay, everything looks to be in the same type of shape. Okay, well, I'd like to thank you guys and for watching my video. Remember to click like and subscribe. Like I said, these have, if you buy one directly from eBay, it's from Sun, from the manufacturer, which is Snow Joe or Sun Joe. They come with eBay certified refurbished. Comes with a 2-year square trade warranty. And 80 bucks is not bad for one of these, really. And remember, if we get 10,000 likes on this video, we will be giving away a pressure washer in the beginning of January. I'd like to thank you for coming and watching my video. Sorry if I repeated myself. I just want to let you guys know that this is our first big contest where you could actually win a prize if we get 10,000 likes before the end of the month. These are a nice pressure washer, 2200 PSI power. You know, they're a powerful power washer. For my state, it was $79.99 free shipping plus tax for one of these. I'd like to thank you for coming to my video. Remember to click like and subscribe, and I hope you have a happy holidays. Peace.